Multi-generational living is when multiple generations are living under one roof and the household consists of two or more adult generations. So that could be the great grandparents, the grandparents, parents, and children living under the same roof. In a multi generational home, there is enough space to accommodate each one of those generations. So sometimes that could mean having a completely different living area, a private kitchen, or even a separate entrance. So, an example of multi generational living could be a two-story home that has a bedroom and a private bathroom on the first floor. Now, that type of living can accommodate aging parents or a family member who couldn't easily navigate the stairs. Another example could be a casita, which means a small house that's located on the same property. Casitas can be attached to the primary home or detached. Now, my last example will be a coach house where the living area is located above the garage. Casitas and coach homes typically have a private kitchen and a separate entrance. Now, this lifestyle can make child care or senior care more convenient and more affordable. It can also increase a family's resources because of the combined income and the combined resources. Are you ready to explore the endless possibilities of multi-generational living? Call me today to find your perfect home.